NASA may have stumbled upon one of its most exciting discoveries yet, a potential Earth-like world that brings us closer to answering one of humanity's oldest and most profound questions. Are we alone in the universe? In an announcement that shook the scientific community, NASA revealed that 7 Earth-sized planets were found orbiting a star just 40 light-years from Earth. That's around 235 trillion miles away, which, while incredibly distant, is considered relatively close in cosmic terms. The discovery doesn't stop there. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, the most advanced observatory of its kind, captured the clearest image yet of what appear to be glowing lights on Proxima b, a rocky exoplanet orbiting a red dwarf star just over 4 light-years from us. These lights resemble nothing short of an alien cityscape, sparking speculation and amazement. Scientists are trying to determine whether these strange signals could be natural phenomena or signs of something far more extraordinary. This rocky world, known as Proxima b, has been hailed as a potential jackpot in the search for habitable planets. It orbits within its star's habitable zone, meaning it could, in theory, support liquid water. But life there wouldn't be easy. Due to tidal locking, one side of the planet is always bathed in sunlight, scorched by heat, while the other side is plunged into perpetual darkness and freezing cold. Despite these extreme conditions, there might be a thin band along the planet's terminator line, where day meets night, that has temperate conditions suitable for liquid water and potentially life. Any life that exists there would likely be unlike anything we've encountered. The constant bombardment of radiation from its host star adds another layer of complexity. Red dwarfs like the one Proxima b orbits are known for their violent flares, which can strip atmospheres and sterilize planetary surfaces. However, life on Earth has adapted to some of the harshest conditions imaginable, thriving in deep-sea hydrothermal vents and even radioactive waste zones. Could similar adaptations occur on Proxima b? Might life there feed off radiation or burrow underground for protection? That's exactly what the James Webb Space Telescope hopes to find out. With capabilities that far exceed those of the Hubble Space Telescope, it offers unprecedented detail. By analyzing the atmosphere of Proxima b, scientists hope to detect water vapor, oxygen, or even unusual chemical combinations that suggest the presence of life. Still, this pursuit isn't without its sobering possibilities. Proxima b might turn out to be barren and lifeless, but even in that case, studying it helps us better understand the conditions that make Earth so unique. Red dwarf stars, like the one it orbits, are the most common type in our galaxy, comprising nearly 75% of all stars in the Milky Way. They burn fuel slowly and can last for trillions of years, giving life on surrounding planets ample time to evolve. However, their tendency to unleash intense solar flares presents an ongoing threat to any nearby life. The sheer abundance of red dwarfs means there may be countless planets like Proxima b throughout the galaxy. If life can survive under such conditions, the implications are staggering. It could thrive in places we once thought were impossible. But exploring these worlds raises serious ethical questions. Sending probes or spacecraft to such distant, untouched environments risks contamination. We might introduce Earth microbes that could disrupt native ecosystems before we even know they exist. Human exploration on Earth has shown us how invasive species and unchecked activity can cause ecological collapse. Could we repeat these mistakes on a cosmic scale? This brings us back to Earth. As we scan the skies for other habitable worlds, Proxima b reminds us of how fragile our own planet is. Earth's finely balanced systems, its climate, atmosphere, and ecosystems are rare, perhaps even unique. The harsh conditions on Proxima b highlight just how fortunate we are to live on a planet so finely tuned for life. And yet, climate change, pollution, and deforestation are pushing Earth toward instability. In our pursuit of other worlds, we must not forget the responsibility to care for the one we already have. The search for life on Proxima b also forces us to confront the Fermi paradox. If intelligent life is common, why haven't we encountered it? Some suggest advanced civilizations destroy themselves before reaching interstellar capability, while others believe they choose to remain hidden. Maybe we've been looking in the wrong way or in the wrong places. Proxima b could help us fine-tune our search, revealing the kinds of subtle biosignatures we might expect on unfamiliar worlds. But we must tread carefully. Even the act of landing a small probe could disrupt the environment. History shows us the cost of careless exploration. The cosmic stakes are even higher. Yet our curiosity propels us forward. The desire to explore is embedded in who we are. Proxima b's challenges push us to rethink what life could look like. Could organisms evolve to withstand radiation or flourish in extreme cold? Might there be forms of biology we can't yet imagine? These questions are not just scientific, they're deeply philosophical. Discovering life beyond Earth would redefine our understanding of biology, evolution, and our place in the universe. How would we react as a species to the knowledge that we're not alone? What moral obligations would we have to other forms of life? As our technology improves and interstellar exploration inches closer to reality, we must develop new ethical frameworks. The balance between discovery and preservation is delicate. The choices we make now will shape the future of space exploration for generations to come. At the same time, the study of Proxima b reinforces the need to invest in Earth's future. While it's thrilling to imagine traveling to distant planets, this excitement must not distract us from the urgent crises at home. Climate change, habitat loss, and resource depletion threaten our own ability to survive. Exploring other planets can help us better understand these challenges, but it cannot replace the need to protect Earth. What makes Proxima b so captivating isn't just the possibility of alien life. It's the way it forces us to reflect. It challenges us to think deeply about who we are, where we come from, and where we're going. It's a symbol of both discovery and responsibility. Whether or not it harbors life, it pushes us to dream bigger, to reach farther, and to be wiser. As the James Webb Space Telescope continues its mission, Proxima b remains a point of fascination. Every new image, every data point, could bring us closer to reshaping our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The story of this distant world is far from over. Whether it's a lifeless rock or a thriving ecosystem, it reflects humanity's endless quest to explore. From early stargazers to modern astronauts, humans have always looked to the sky with wonder. In the 20th century, we finally began to leave Earth. The Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1 in 1957, the first artificial satellite. Just 4 years later, cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin became the first human in space, orbiting Earth in 108 minutes. Not long after, America joined the race. Alan Shepard became the first American in space, followed by John Glenn, who orbited Earth 3 times. These early efforts laid the foundation for what came next. The Moon, landing in 1969. Neil Armstrong's legendary first step onto lunar soil, broadcast live around the world, remains one of the